Okay, it is 9:40 p.m. It's been raining off and on for about 8 hours, and we have a new leak that has started. This is in front of the front door, and you can see that there's quite a bit of moisture coming down the wall. Over here, I can actually see drips up there on that beam, and then comes all the way down the wall. And we've got a bucket down here, but you can see that there's already quite a bit of moisture on the floor. Here's another small one here that I'll need to find another small bowl or something for. Okay, this is that one. There's still a steady stream that is dripping from right above the door, and it goes all the way up, and then from that same area it spreads out and comes down into this bucket here, and you can see there's quite a bit of water that collected. We just got the buckets in here. And here we've got several buckets over here, and up here we've got another stream, and then over in here we've got quite a bit coming down the wall again. So most of the leaks appear to be in this general area, but there are still some up above the bathroom area coming down. And then over by the women's restroom, there still are those couple of drops that were there earlier this afternoon. But the drops have intensified over here by the front doors.